I don't know why some people take long to understand. It is true Anita has built schools, hospitals, and even a stadium. She has built even her home. Very big one, powerful. But my question, that how is that useful to the people of Bukedea? Those schools which Anita has built, people from Bukedea, are they studying it there for free? When people go to those hospitals which Anita has built, are they treated for free? Those sectors which Anita built, they are called private sectors. It is for her own personal use. But when we talk things of government, which means the health center to improve to be a big hospital, good roads, which can help everybody. We are talking about public sectors, things which can help everyone publicly, not private. Those ones which Anita built, those are our own things. You can't even ask her accountability of those things. Yes, she has built those things. Let us go to the health centers of Bukedea. Are they okay? Drugs are in those health centers, in government hospital. How about school, government school? Government schools, how are they? So when we are talking things, we are not talking about somebody's private life. We are talking things which concern the whole public, hospitals for the government, schools for the government, things which are publicly used. Everyone is allowed to use. So you cannot bring things which someone has built for her own business or her own wealth, and you start saying that Anita has built this and this. Can you go for those services for free? You have to pay money. You have to pay money. In countries where people have good leaders, when you go to the hospital, everything you want, you find even in the hospital. You just take your clothes and you go to the hospital, food, anything you want to use that time, you find it in the hospital. People who are in good countries, they can witness. They are not like as in Uganda, when you're going to the hospital, you have to carry a gas or buy a sigiri for cooking in the hospital. Countries who are developed, when you go to the hospital, you get everything there until you are discharged from the hospital and you go back home. When we talk about schools, countries which have good leaders, even they pay students who study, they pay them school fees, they pay them money. They pay them money for going to school. Full term, they pay them pocket money just for going to school. While in Uganda, even you can find in schools, children are not eating from school. Even they don't have shelter. The buildings are not okay. You understand? So when we are talking of government sectors, I don't want you to bring the assets of Anita here. Those are her private sectors, of which if you want services from there, you have to pay money. Try to understand. Don't be twisted. Use your brain. For you who is talking that she has built a school, blah, 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 can you reach to get services for free? You have to pay money, which means that is her business. I would agree with you when you tell me that Anita has renovated the health center. She has expanded the health center. It has now become the big hospital. There we can agree. But you can't bring here the private sectors of someone, and you try to tell me ABCD. That is a business of Anita. You understand? I'm not stupid. I know what I'm talking about. Of which it is not bad, because that is her business.